Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. This one's for my Alberta Ram owners because I keep getting this question. What is the deal with loyalty rebates on the 2026 Ram 1500 and who qualifies for them? So here's the simple version. If you currently own or lease a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram, you're usually the person they're trying to reward. That's where the loyalty money comes from. Already in the brand, you get extra discounts to stay in the brand. Now, do these rebates change depending on the province? Yes. And this is where people get caught. The national ads make it look the same everywhere, but the actual stack of rebates and rates and bonus cash and finance credits, those are regional. So Alberta deals can look completely different from Ontario or BC. Next big question. Can you combine the loyalty rebate with low rate financing? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Because a lot of the time you're choosing between a low interest rate or big cash discounts, not both. That's why two identical trucks can have totally different payments depending on which program you take. And here's the one most people don't know. You can usually lock in loyalty money on a factory order as long as you qualify when the truck arrives. That means you don't always have to buy something off the lot to get it. So if you're already driving a Ram and thinking about upgrading, don't just look at the sticker price because there could be loyalty cash sitting there that most people never ask about. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629 and we'll try our best to help you out.